Hi everyone and welcome back. Today's video is going to be an Urbanic haul. In case you guys don't know, Urbanic is an online clothing store for women and I have a few pieces from them that I bought. I hope you guys remember Shein. It used to be my favorite online clothing store. It was banned in India last year I think, and I came across this website called Urbanic and I liked their clothing pieces. They were very chic and stylish and trendy, so just like Shein. So I just thought that I'll try a few items from their website. For this video, I've got 4 tops, 1 dress and a few jewelry pieces, and I'm quickly gonna start with tops. The first top that I have here is this one. It doesn't look very appealing if I hold it like this, I know that. So this is a not half a placket t-shirt. As you can see, this has got this thing that you can tie in the front or even at the back. This is a top that can be worn from both sides. You can also wear it from this side and you can also wear it from this side if you want to tie it at the front. Now I got this one in the size medium. Obviously I am gonna throw an image that's available on the website. I got this for rupees 742. That's the discounted price. I am gonna mention the real price of all of these pieces in the description box. Something that I really like about their website is that the clothing pieces, when they arrive, they're exactly like displayed on the website in the pictures. So yes, the color is exactly the same and the material is also the same as it looks in the picture. Now if you have a small bust, you can easily pull this off, but if you have a big bust, it can be a little bit difficult because you don't have like a lot of space, and plus this material, it kind of slips from your body because it's very soft. So I have a bra that you can wear under this top. I'm also going to suggest bras that you can wear under all of these tops. So the bra that I prefer wearing under that top is this one. It's a strapless bra, as you can see, and it's in a very nude color. So even if it's visible from somewhere, it will not be that much evident. So next up I have their Simplicity half a placket blouse. Again, I got this one in the size medium and this one retails for rupees 792. I mean, I got it for rupees 792. In case you want the real price, please check the description box. Of course, I got most of the items that were on sale, so this is a blouse that I highly recommend. The fabric is not very breathable. Now, if you are in a hot environment, you're definitely going to sweat in this one, but it's just perfect for, maybe fall or spring. The print is also very beautiful. The neck cuts at the perfect place. This one, it's a normal t-shirt brand. You can definitely wear it under this top. The last top had almost balloon sleeves, but this one is like puffed and long. It's not too balloon type. But yeah, overall I feel that this is a bomb piece for rupees 800. Now next up I have this t-shirt. Actually the name of this one is Simplicity Pullover t-shirt, and this one again retails for rupees 792. As you can see, this is pretty much transparent and there are alphabets on this one. I got this one in the size small. My actual size is medium, I'd say, but whenever I buy something that's very much body hugging or fitted, I get it in a size small. It just gives me that fitted look. Now the fabric is very much like net and you can see it looks really good. I mean, it's very fitted and I just love this top. You can wear it over a tank top, I'd say, or even a bralette. I'll highly recommend you to wear a bralette under this one, a black bralette. I also loved the neck of this one. It's very snug and it's round and it's a little bit high, not too high, just the perfect height. So finally for the tops, I have this knot top. This is so much in trend right now and everyone is just DIYing them, but it's just too much work for me and I was not sure whether it's gonna fit me or not. Actually, I thought of, making it myself at home, but I was not sure whether it's gonna fit me or not. But this one fits perfectly, you guys. The fit is just so good. It's a heavenly fit. It has also got adjustable straps. You can increase and decrease the length of the straps. I got this one for rupees 841 in the size small because again this is like a fitted kind of top, so I picked the size small. Again, you can just wear like a strapless bra under this one. For the final piece, I have this dress. Now this is the only clothing item that disappointed me a bit just because of how it fits. Now this is a drawstring bodycon dress. This has got this string kind of thing on the sides and it is a bodycon dress, so it's supposed to be very fitted, but actually it's not. It makes me look like a square. I mean, I really wanted to alter this from the sides, but I can't because there is literally a drawstring on the side, so I just can't even alter it from the sides. And then on the website it looks really nice and it fits the model. Like, look at that, how beautiful that looks on the website, but on me I just look like a square, like SpongeBob. The other problem with this one is what bra to wear under it, because this cut, as you can see, it goes really low. I did notice it on their website, but it was in their flash sale section, so I had to get it. I got it in the size small, and there is an extra small size. I think I should have purchased that. All of the clothing pieces came separately in plastic bags like this one. So once we're done with the clothes, let's get to jewelry. I bought 3 earrings. None of them are hoops, sadly, because I was actually bored of wearing hoop earrings all the time. Like, you can see I have them on right now. These earrings, they are very small. Obviously I'm going to give you guys a close-up and I'm going to try them on as well, but you can see they are very small, and these retail for rupees 263. Obviously they are very light as well, so no stress for your earlobes. I like the gold. I also liked the pale pink color, and the fact that it's light is so comforting for me because I can't carry heavy jewelry. It's just too much for my earlobes. Now next up, I have this rainbow kind of situation going on over here. Actually, I really like them, and they have glitter on them as well, which doesn't transfer, so that's a good thing. Plus these are very lightweight, and I got this for rupees 161. Next up, I have this heart imitation dangle. I should have worn it today. I bought this for rupees 190, and I feel that this one too is a little bit overpriced, but yes, I like how it looks. And again, it's not too heavy, but it's not too light at the same time. It is also available in a lot of different colors, as you can see: purple, blue, yellow, orange. Next up, I have 2 golden necklaces. Now the first one is not layered. It has got just a single layer, and it retails for rupees 90. I absolutely love how it looks. I just wish that it doesn't turn black in a couple of months. That's something that's very much common with cheap jewelry. The second necklace is double layer, and it has got this really cute stone. I like the way it looks. It's very delicate and it looks very beautiful, but I just hope that this doesn't turn black in a couple of months. That one was for rupees 190, and that's it for this haul video. I bought all of this stuff and I really liked it for the price, so I thought that I'll share it with you guys. That's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.